In our childhood, we have all played with RC toys such as RC airplanes, helicopters, drones, jets, etc. So today, let's understand how these things work. So airplane. So RC airplane is a flying machine which is controlled remotely by an operator on the ground using a transmitter. So RC plane contains PCB board, brushless motor, ESC and satellite receiver and lithium-ion batteries or LiPo batteries. So this is the picture of a RC plane. So here you can see it's a brushless motor. This is the ESC and this is the lithium-ion battery or also called as LiPo battery. This is the servo motor and this is the main receiver and this is the satellite receiver, and these are elevators which is used to change the direction of a plane. Helicopter. A helicopter is a type of rotorcraft in which lift and thrust are supplied by horizontally spinning rotors. This allows the helicopter to take off and land vertically, to hover and to fly forward, backward and laterally. So this is the image of a helicopter, RC helicopter. So here you can see the motors. So these are the gears. These are the batteries. You can see a servo motor here. Drone. Drones are equipped with different state-of-the-art technology such as infrared cameras, GPS, and laser. Drones are controlled by remote control systems, also sometimes referred to as a ground cockpit. So this is the image. The motors are not visible, but these are the ESCs which you can see, and this is the main PCB board, and this is the battery. Beside it is the battery. So jet. So RC jet airplanes powered by electric ducted fans provide enormous amount of thrust, and these are very large in scale, and these detailed model jet aircraft require a larger flying area because of the size, and some models can reach speeds above 110 miles per hour. This is the image. So you can see this is the cockpit, and this is the turbine engine, and this is the afterburners, and here will be the ejection seat in case of emergency. Thank you.